Welcome to the video on Easy Java for Beginners. So in this video, you are going to learn how to write your first Java program. You'll be learning how to display your name. Normally, it's good as a Java programmer. You can use Eclipse IDE for programming. But as a beginner, you can use any of the online editors, and lot many online editors are available. And in that, I have chosen Programmers Java Online Compiler. In Google, you can just type Programmers Java Online Compiler, and when you click on that, you'll be getting this particular page. And here you can practice, and once you are comfortable, then you can move on to Eclipse IDE and you can work on that. Yes, so in this video, you'll be learning how to write a first Java program. It's a simple program where you'll be displaying just your name. And Java is called as pure object oriented language. So always you'll be starting with class. Whatever you are writing, you'll be writing within class. Either it can be methods or it can be variables. Whatever you are writing as a program, you have to enclose that in class. So your program starts with class. So class, and you'll be giving a name. So just we are going to display your name, right? So you can give this as name, and this class name plays very important role in Java programming, because whenever you are saving this program, whenever you are saving in the program, you'll be saving using this particular class name. That is, you'll be saving as name.java. So always remember that whenever you are saving any Java program, you'll be saving that using class name.java. So this, if you have written class name, then always class is enclosed within curly braces. Always class is enclosed within curly braces. You will be writing everything within the class, and within the next to class you'll be opening the curly brace, and here you will be writing your main method. And unlike C and C++ program, main is written as a very big statement in Java, and you have to by heart that particular statement. You should be knowing this particular statement in order to write any Java program. So the statement goes like this: public static void main. This is the public static void main. Public static void main. This is how you will be writing this Java code. So public static void main of strings, SS caps, string argument is. And similarly, this argument s can be written in multiple ways. That is, string bracket then argument s can be written, and there are multiple ways, but let us stick on to one particular method. So all should by heart this particular statement when you want to write the main in a Java program. So why you are writing this public static void main string argument is, I'll tell this. So public is known as an access specifier. So this main method is common to all the classes. When we are writing, we can write multiple classes in Java, and this main method is common to all the classes, and we are writing this as public so that it is globally available to all the classes. That is why we are writing it as public. And next, static, and again static is a keyword. What you have to do is, when you are writing this main, you'll be writing a static, because the class can be loaded into memory. For that purpose, we are writing this as static. And also the static helps for memory management. This one, only one copy of this will be available in memory, and so we'll be writing this as static. And void, or we are writing it as void, as it will not be returning any value. This main method will not be returning any value. And this main, as you all know, always the execution starts with main function in any programming language, and this main will be considered as the entry point for execution. And this string argument is whatever been given as input to Java will be received as string in this string argument is. So that is the purpose why we are learning this, why we are writing this particular statement. So public static void main string argument is. So this should be written when you want to write any program. You can write multiple classes, but only in one class you will be writing this main method. You can write any number of classes in Java. in any inheritance or in any concept, you'll be writing multiple classes, but in only one class you'll be writing the main method. And now again this main method will be starting and ending with curly brace. And so now I said you we are going to display your name. So to display we'll be using a statement here, and see in C you'll be using printf, and in C++ you'll be using cout, and here you'll be using a statement called system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println. And this is a statement, and this ln stands for new line. If you're not giving this ln, to not display new line. So system dot out dot println, and inside this you can give your name. So let us give Java programming. In this place you can specify your name. So if you want to display, your name will be whatever you want to display. This can be given inside the statement system dot out dot println. Then you can write a name over here so that your name will be displayed. And always this will end in semicolon. All the statements will end in semicolon. And one important thing you should notice, Java is case sensitive. Case sensitive in the sense, whatever is mentioned as capital you should mention as capital only. See here, for example, this string is s, is the string here, string in this main s is capital, so you should mention as capital only, otherwise it will be raising an error. And again in the system dot out dot println, this s is again caps, so you should mention as capital only. So this is a simple program for displaying your name. So once we run this, you can get the output. You'll be getting the output as Java programming. So can you see here, we receive the output Java programming. So whatever you want to display over here, mm, or welcome, and if we run, your welcome will be displayed. And when you want to specify, hello world is a common term that is used in Java programming. Normally all the Java program will be starting with hello world. So let us also try to print this hello world over here. Let us also start with hello world. Hello world. So when we display here, it will be displaying hello world. And moreover, one more thing also you should note, you'll be trying to import the packages. Java has many packages, and for this print statement we have a package called import java dot io dot star. Since this is an online compiler, it's not raising an error, but normally when you are doing in Eclipse IDE, or when you're doing in a simple notepad, everywhere you will be using this import java dot io dot star. So this is a simple program to display your name. So I hope all understood. So in the upcoming sessions we will be discussing about how to add two numbers, and moreover all the concepts will be discussed. To know more about, to learn easy Java for beginners, subscribe this channel and stay tuned. Thank you. Thanks for watching.